Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Windows build, account, and permissions. Sign into the Microsoft account that contains your Defender VPN license. This authenticates the service. Once signed in, make sure Windows Update is current and that network permissions allow VPN connections. This avoids blocked adapters. Now open Settings and navigate straight to Network and Internet. From there, select the Defender VPN entry. This first step gets you into the configuration flow quick. Once done with sign-in, you configure the connection details. Choose a server region or leave it on automatic to let Defender pick the fastest route. This affects speed and privacy. Next, decide split tunneling and the kill switch. Split tunneling keeps trusted apps off the VPN. The kill switch prevents leaks if the VPN drops. Make sure DNS mode is set to automatic or to a secure provider. Finally, enable automatic reconnect so your connection restores without manual steps. You finish by testing and finalizing the setup. Connect the VPN, visit a site to confirm routing, and check your public IP to verify the tunnel. If it fails, restart the network adapter or reboot the device. This resolves most driver or permission hangups. If problems persist, open Windows Security, view Defender VPN logs, and reset the VPN profile. This clears corrupted settings. One practical tip: toggle the kill switch off then on. Sometimes that forces a fresh route and restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.